that's the seal for this bad boy. So now I've got the bike in a position where I can I need in there as well to get this wheel out, but for the time being I'm going to concentrate on this. I'm going to peel all this back, see what's underneath, because the seal is leaking a lot. Now covered in oil, touch the camera. So before I take this out, there is a little mark just there, little arrow just there, and I'm going to mark it in line on there somewhere. There is a mark there, but I'm going to redo it. Okay, so we've pulled all this apart, and there's your selector shaft, and it goes down and it's got a connection going up, and then it goes into the engine up here, which is, and that's the shaft. So the shaft goes along, it's got a link that comes up and then goes onto that. So I've got to somehow get to that. Okay, so I'm not taking the exhaust off, so that's the bolt that had to come out from right up there. So I used a 10mm, a join, a bar, a step down, an angled thingy which has been in my toolbox for years and I've never used it, and a ratchet, and it worked. So, there is seal, and this is my technical seal removing tool. That's how loose it was. Just hanging in crazy. Honda outboard seal, £5.42. So I'm going to give the seal a little dunking in oil, and then I'm going to fit it. But what I am going to do is use a nylon bush to push it in, because these are so delicate. Let's see how we get on with this. Okay, that's a seal on the shaft. Just feed it in with my hands, and then I'm going to put a nylon bush over the top. And then whack it in. Really? Ow. Seal seated. So one of the issues that you have with Goldwings is this. It's really sloppy. Bearing in mind you stand on this. So some clever bugger decided to do this. So this fitting is going to sit here between the crash bar, new bolt for there, and lock onto here, and this will only turn, it won't do this. I'll just set it up and show you. So it's going to go something like that. So that's your engine bolt. It's on a, and once that's locked, this will only turn. So like that, except at the bottom. So it will do that, but that top bit won't move. Right, let's get this lined up and get that on. That does not move. I have put the gear shift on. That's absolutely solid. I like that.